Hello friends, welcome to another video on Excel shortcut keys. Today we shall see a shortcut key called Alt equal to. Okay, we have this data of employee name and salary. We have to calculate the total salary. Okay, normally if you don't know any formula, what you do is you select the cell, press equal to, again select the cell, add it, again select the cell, add it, like this you do, and finally enter. You get the all the sum. Okay, and another method is you just press equal to, type sum, select sum, then number 1 to last number, then press enter. You will get this salary. This is a bit time consuming. I'll delete it again. So what you have to do is you have to use Alt equal to. Press Alt equal to and automatically all the columns will be selected and say directly enter. Your total sum will be calculated using Alt equal to shortcut keys. I hope you find this key a new one to learn. Please share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.